Hi, I'm Richard Perry with Chief Technologies, and we've got a new product that we're launching that is more for the technician in the shop. This is what we refer to as our 5T power gun. This gives us the power of pulling up to 5 tons or pushing up to 5 tons all in one hand. It would replace your porter powers that you have now. So no more hoses, no more lines, no more leaky hydraulic fluid, no more pumps you have to work. So once you put this up into a position, you just simply push or pull and it gives you up to 5 tons of pressure. So realigning sheet metal, light pulls, things like that, or if you have to adjust some suspension, it's not just for the collision industry. It could be in the automotive where they may have to shift a cradle to help align the suspension. It could be in the heavy duty market. This could be used anywhere in the automotive industry. Technicians, when they look at this, it gives them the opportunity to have a free hand to do whatever they need to, rather than reaching down and having to lock off the pump, use a handle to increase or decrease the pressure. They just do this one hand. We also have the ability with some of the accessories to do some light pulls in the shop. But with this, we've got a lot of different accessories with it. One of the accessories is our pulling post that we have here. This allows us to do some light pulls on the vehicle. So instead of getting up onto your major piece of equipment for realignment, you can do some minor repairs right there in your stall. A lot of technicians are looking at this and thinking, well, if I need to do some glue pulling, pull a rocker, things like that, we can hook up to those tabs, make any pulls that we need. A light pull, you can slow it down. That way you can control as that panel comes back into realignment. Lock it in, do the stress relief, saves a lot of time, gives you that extra free hand. For more information, look at our website, reach out, go ahead and get you one, maybe 2.